Before you watch the video, make sure you have subscribed my channel.
3 surefire ways to fail at losing weight. Like other scientific fields, the science of weight loss is continually evolving. What's true is that no single diet approach, whether low carb, low fat, paleo, or vegan, with no or varying amounts of physical activity, will work for every individual. It's also true that within each approach there are people who will lose weight, as well as people who will gain weight. Even more confounding is the fact that those who successfully lose weight have an extremely high failure rate when it comes to maintaining that weight loss. This dichotomy leaves scientists baffled as the search for the ideal diet and weight loss maintenance strategies continues. Scientists, doctors, and nutritionists all agree, however, on 3 things that always lead to failure when it comes to weight loss: unrealistic expectations, the quick fix approach, and the starvation method. Number 1, unrealistic expectations. Unrealistic expectations of ideal weights are often enough to keep people from losing any weight at all. A healthy, sustainable weight is often a higher number on the scale than one would tend to think. Accepting that a 10% weight loss can improve blood pressure and blood sugar and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease and type 2 diabetes may help overweight people to make small steps towards that goal. Number 2, the quick fix approach. Unfortunately, many view weight loss as a quick fix as opposed to a long-term solution for improved health. Clearly, a change in mindset is necessary, not only for weight loss, but for long-term weight maintenance. Number 3, the starvation method. Diets that are too calorie restrictive are destined to fail. In addition to your increased hunger, your body works against you, which makes losing weight even harder. Whatever your diet choice, recognizing that we often eat in response to stress, boredom, or emotions may help to avoid setbacks. If you are serious and determined to lose weight and keep it off, take a slow but steady pace.
Use the link on the description below to change your life. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and be the first to get my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.